How to fix Rust crashing when joining server. So there's a couple of instances why this is happening in your Rust game. So first things first is whenever you pull up the game and you pull it up or you loaded up the game successfully, and once you try to join a team or trying to join a server, it crashes and gets back to home screen or just simply not responding. So your very main thing is to check if you're currently connected to a reliable internet connection to have at least a maximum amount of signal loss from here. So your basic troubleshooting step is to disconnect your physical router from the outlet, plug it back in, and try to relaunch the game and join the server again. If that specific method doesn't work, then just simply go into your Windows icon, type in CMD, and then just simply run this as an administrator. Now the commands are going to be ipconfig /flush DNS and then hit on enter. Next is going to be netsh space winsock space reset. Now hit on enter and then exit this command prompt. Restart your PC once all of the troubleshooting steps have already been executed and try to rejoin the server again. But if you would like to check out current servers that is ongoing on Rust, just simply open up your web browser and type this Rust server status. So you won't be able to check out the server status directly from the game. So this is where you can check it. Choose on the link where you will be landed into battle metrics. So once you're here, just simply scroll down and locate your specific country where you're playing or location where you're playing the game from. So at the slash portion of this, you should be able to see maximum amount of players that can only be inside the lobby or the server. And that's it. That is how you fix Rust crushing when joining server.